Hi, second video of the day, 21st August 2026. Time is 5 past 7 or yeah, 5 past 7 p.m. By the Cranford area. Ahwani gone. Yeah, I was saying, yeah, one incident happened. Uh, you know, just over there, just over where there's just Ahwani. Speak my language in a flip flop slippers. I already told you the power of flip flops. Just by over there, the gate, you know. I usually go there. Right next to is a Cranford Mosque, Heathrow Mosque actually, Heathrow Jamia Masjid, and I just been to there, and very dark skin, you know, same Sonali, most likely Sonali looking or you know, dark skin Indian one, teenager girls, like really very revealing clothes, tight jeans, two of them. And out of nowhere, I was just passing, they came right in front of me and start looking. Oh, someone's stalking them, someone looking behind. Literally underage girls, and literally, you know, hang on a second, someone is coming. Looking at that. And वन इंडियन इज पर ऑन द फोन सेम बॉलीवुड में नहीं मैं समझ लेता हूँ बॉलीवुड की जुबान मैं एक ही हूँ ऑफिसर हूँ स्पीक ना हिंदी यूरो विंग्स गोइंग या ऑपरेशन यू नो D-Day, Iran's economical crisis, financial crisis, effect, Donald Trump's. Which one? Time machine, no? Einstein. My international. The reason I say always location and that time. One day, people will find out. Inshallah, Taala. Islam, Islamicist jihadis. Who was actually sponsoring them, running that yin yang jack. Last time I went to I stopped going to Friday pray. Last time I went to Friday, 16th June I remember, and they're noticing that I'm not praying anymore Friday. You know, there is, according to Islam, Muslim congregation, like a Christian Sunday congregation or Jews Saturday congregation. Muslims for Friday. Here is Erlinger Island, and for Muslims is Friday. A lot of people do gather, like a weekly congregation. So I stopped doing it. Things happen. Some other things happen. So I stopped doing it because some other things happen, and the incident happened. Police came, or my housemate, Sudani. I've been involved. The reason I started mentioning the skins and the races, there's a big operation going on. Where is race involved, social order, like economical hierarchy or intellectuals and layman and all that. Someone is controlling. The one who sent Arab Sudani descendant. Very clear English. Some big massacre happening in East Africa, Horn of Africa, Somalia, Sudan, Ethiopia. Imagine Ethiopians, Black Jesus, the Iberia. Is that Iberia? No, which airline? Hainan Airline, sorry. Hainan Airline. Hainan Airline, Chinese. So, yeah, I do get distracted a lot actually. People but have to make it outside. Where is location, the place and the time. One day, yesterday, zero view. No one viewed it because of that white. They controlling that much. And you see how much quickly the so-called reflecting Jason Arde reflecting Rapid Deployment Forces, Sudani Rapid Sports Sport Channel, Massacre, Gianni Ramdani. Her time is being connected with Hillsborough disaster. Someone running the casino, Donald Trump's owner. Casino architects constitute organizers never play the casino, but they are quite strong promoter and convincer that you can win it. Malala Yousafzai can win it. Nobel Prize. Nobel laureate. So I thought I'd make about these girls. Hey, Singapore. Which? Yeah. Singapore airline. Small island. What magic was that? Small island, superpower, super passport. Unless World Bank is giving full exemptions, money laundering, there is you can buy cheaper products, Japanese or Korean, in Singapore that than in Japan. When Singapore become rich, Far East. So all they need to do dumping. I think WTO cannot. They make some loophole exemption for Singapore. You import there and then dump, and then money laundering, and then sell it into dollars and yen. That's how Singapore become WTO way before 9/11. WTO World Trade Center. Yeah. Special exemptions. Singapore was special exemption. Very intelligent, not Singapore. Very small island, super brains Chinese. Rest eating snakes, cockroaches, hungry. Over there is the delicacies. Very superhuman. If there is not from London and New York, special exemptions from bankers. Where's the money laundering possible, dumping is possible, otherwise it's trade sanctions. You can't do that according to the World Trade WTA Association Authority. I don't know. Here is the British Airways now. Singapore is a super brain Singapore. Taiwan is super brain. China, whereas you just bring the stuff from Japan, another stuff, yen, you dump it, then re-export it. Dubai is doing it. Solar City will put jeopardy, ruined everything. There is undercover police. Hang on a second. Ambulance, 9. So let's move on. I thought I should tell about that girls. A lot of white girls. When I moved to West Drayton, I'm gonna attack them. A little teenager, Pakistani man grooming English girl, quite high profile. Devote Shabir Ahmed, Pakistani. One Pakistani Imran Khan was active over there. You know, he was one guy was sitting in the car waiting. Imran Khan gone back to jail. International news. Imran Khan gone back to jail. Politicians. Narendra Modi is quite active. Pakistan. I'm gonna. If no, Hasina Rahman, Bangladeshi terrorist, Prime Minister. Narendra Modi not gonna see it. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq. My international audience, Bangladeshi brothers and sisters, you will know one day. One solar city, you know, it should be erected over there in Dhaka. It will erected in Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan. Why they run away? Dump the US military. There was no military. There was no violence when I invented that thing. Goliath. I think if someone is gonna watch this video, gonna say what the heck I'm talking about, please watch all the videos if you love humanity and want to stop all this war and violence and want to be a prosperous, peaceful humanity and world. I mean, equally. because solar tree will go all over the world. I was gonna say inshallah, all over the world. What possible has to do? KLM, Holland, little island, a lot of food, reclaimed. Hollande from France. Netanyahu was there. Man, Jule Jala. Remember? All gone. What music I listen? Quite really. Russian music, other music. Music was problem. Bye bye.